Hey folks, it's Farmer John coming at you from our backyard garden, and we are going to build the Groundwork Raised Bed Planter. We bought this from Tractor Supply, so if you like this kind of content, please leave us a like and subscribe, and we're gonna get right into it. So hey guys, you can see I just unboxed this. It's a very neatly packed box, and you can see the styrofoam on here. Everything's nice and bubble wrapped up. I'm just going to take these parts out. And it looks very good, as you can see. So let's get into the build. I'm going to go ahead and do a parts list now for you. All right, guys. So if you look here, this is our full inventory. Everything looks to be here. And it looks like the only tool that we need for this build is this Allen wrench, or this key here. So you see on one side it's an Allen wrench, and then on the other side it is a screwdriver. And if you look, full inventory right at the front of the instructions shows you everything that you have. All of our screws look in place. If anything, I will let you know. We're gonna continue. Let's get into it. Show you this. So this tool, it works. It's perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just going to take a longer time. So what I did is I got myself a self-ratcheting screwdriver, and what that's going to allow me to do is just move this a little bit quicker. Now, on top of that, you want to make sure that you're not over tightening it at first. You're going to hand tighten everything, of course, but this is going to make it move quicker. I'm working on the floor. If you have a raised level table or something, that would be perfect. But for me, I think this is going to work. Just something to help you out and make this go a little bit quicker. When working with this product, approximate assembly time 15 minutes, and hand tools only. Use power tools could damage the product, so please do not use power tools. Hey guys, just a quick tip. When you're actually putting this stuff together, what I like to do is I won't put both of the screws on the same side. What I'll do is I'll put this screw in on this side, and then I'll come down to the other side and make sure that the holes are aligned. And you can't really see that, but the hole is aligned in there and aligned in here. And you can see this is a little bit off, but I can correct that. If I put both of these in and this is off on this side, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. You'd have to back out screws and everything. So when putting this together, just make sure. Take one up in the upper corner, then the other side, lower corner, and you'll be good. Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update. If you look here, I actually tightened this up on this one leg. I left the other side loose, but I'm gonna go to the cat corner side, so this side over here, and I'm gonna tighten it up right here. And the reason to do that is just so that way I can get this from here to this side square, and then I'll go back and I can match up everything else and make it nice and tight. All right guys, so we're just about done here. Just wanted to show you the bed. We do have to screw this in, and the very last step is to take and to put the screws into each one of these holes. But before you do that, you want to look at the bottom here, and you want to make sure that this bottom piece is lined up. If you look there, you see how you can see the wood? You want to make sure that that's lined up on both sides, so that way you don't have black over here, wood there. You want to be able to get right through and not have any issues. So you'll have to make some adjustments on your own to make sure that it is good. But looking good, build's going great. All right guys, so we're all done building this bed. As you can see, it's very attractive, and it was relatively easy to put together. It took me some time just to get everything together. You know, I do suggest if you have another person to help you put it together, it would go a lot quicker. The very last part was just to get all these screws in here, so that took some time. But you can see here, it's great, it looks good, beautiful. We have some drainage holes right in the middle here, so hopefully you can see that. Not mad at that. Everything went nice and tight. Everything looks nice and stable. So we will take and get the boss's approval, and we'll take it from there.